Back in the kitchen with Lucy from Greer's, working on something I think a lot of people around here are going to like. And if you're not from here, you should try it out because you're going to like it as well. Tell the folks what it is.
Definitely. We're working on our hot crawfish dip today. And if you're not a crawfish fan, you could totally make it with shrimp. That would be really good too. So yeah, we are working on it. We're almost finished. The last part will be our crawfish. But what we already did is we started with some cream cheese in here, and I just beat it together until it was smooth. And then we added some mayo and some hot sauce. We put 2 cloves of garlic in here, and then we added some jalapenos for a little bit more spice and a little bit of salt, and also some Parmesan cheese.
This is smelling good.
It does smell good.
You know what? This is a good thing for summertime get-togethers, but early football season.
I know. I was thinking football too, for sure. And so now we're just going to add, this is just 1 pound of crawfish tails. You could totally get away with half a pound in here, or you could, you know, do a recipe and a half of the dip part, and then just use the 1 pound to stretch the dip a little bit further. So I like to do that sometimes, you know. Always good to stretch your dollar, but I'm just using a pound for this recipe today.
And you can get your crawfish tails at Greer's?
Yeah, we have them right there in the frozen food department. So you just defrost the tails, and a lot of people sell them frozen. Or, you know, if you're having a crawfish boil, you could use them, you know, the leftovers, if there actually are any, which is probably not going to happen.
A rare
occurrence. But if you like had a crawfish boil for yourself and then you couldn't eat them all, then the next day you could make the dip.
Hey, Joe, you want to do this? Oh, sorry, man, I'm having a crawfish boil. Oh, that's cool. Can I come? No, it's pretty much just for me.
It's pretty exclusive.
So this is looking fantastic. Once you get that all mixed up, what's next?
Okay, so we have our oven on at 350, and we're just going to pop it in the oven for about 30 minutes, just until it's a little bit brown and bubbly. And you could use, you know, whatever chip or cracker you like. For some reason, I'm just kind of a fan of crackers sometimes with dip, but Fritos or Tostitos or, you know, whatever you would like. So it's definitely good, and it's good to make ahead too. It'd be really nice just to have it in the fridge and, you know, take it to your party or wherever and heat it up.
There's a lot of different options of things you could dip in there. That would go good with it.
I think so too.
So be creative. That's where you can put your own spin on it.
That's right.
And of course, you can see plenty of those options 2 ways. 1, if you're shopping in any of the Greer stores, but 2, if you're shopping online as well. I think that's a question a lot of people have, is how do I find the products and things that I like when I'm doing the online shopping for online pickup or for delivery?
That is a really good question. So when you get onto the site, so you go to greers.com/shop, and then you get to choose your store.
Okay.
And once you choose your store, especially because a lot of people, you know, already shop in one of the particular stores, so they're, you know, used to the products in there. And so everything in the store is online. So the easiest way that I've found to find things that you're looking for is to use the search tab at the top. So if you're gonna make this, then just go to search, and once you put in crawfish, the crawfish tails will pop up right to the top. And I'm a private label shopper for the most part, which is our best choice. So I'm always typing in, you know, best choice milk or best choice cream cheese for this recipe, and it'll pop right up. So I kind of thought that I was going to shop by department like you do in the store, which you totally can. So on the left side, you know, you have dairy and produce and all the way through the store. So you can also pull up any category and see everything that's in there. But I've just found that the search tab is easier to use.
Simplify, there we go. Third time's a charm. Simplify your shopping experience. You can do so at Greer's. This looks fantastic. This is how it looks when it is all finished up and ready to go.
Yep.
Lucy, good to see you as always.
Thanks for coming in. Appreciate it.